Spy Trader podcast script episode on August 17th, 2024. Host, hello everyone, and welcome to the latest episode of Spy Trader, your go-to podcast for all the sizzling hot updates sizzling off the S&P 500 grill. I'm your host, Chaching Charlie, and it's 12 p.m. on August 17th, 2024. Let's dive right into the mix of news and analysis to keep your investments sharp and your portfolio sizzling. Summary of the key news items. Charlie, so what's on the radar today? First up, we have Berkshire Hathaway making waves by diving into the beauty market with a hefty investment in Ulta Beauty. Then, we're talking about the streaming giants, including Netflix, Disney, and others, who've turned red ink into black but still face hurdles. And hold your seats, because we have some fresh updates from the consumer sector showing signs of a boosted economy. Analysis and insights. Alright, first things first, let's talk about Warren Buffett and his golden touch. Berkshire Hathaway has snapped up 690,106 shares of Ulta Beauty, worth around $266 million. The beauty retailer's stock jumped by 14.6% following the announcement. BMO Capital Markets sees this move as a solid endorsement of Ulta's potential, even though its stock had taken a 23% dive earlier in the year. It shows that sometimes all it takes is a little TLC from the Oracle of Omaha to rejuvenate a stock. Charlie. Next, the big switch in the streaming world. After an eternity in the red zone, streaming companies like Netflix, Disney, and Warner Bros. Discovery reported a total profit of $3.3 billion in recent quarters. Netflix is leading the charge with a whopping $4.5 billion in net income. Despite this, the landscape is ablaze with challenges. Price-sensitive consumers, churn rates, and cutbacks on cable subscriptions seem to be the name of the game. What stands out is how these companies are adapting: ad-supported tiers, stricter password controls, and content bundling. Charlie, and finally, some good news on the consumer front. Consumer spending is bouncing back, retail sales are up, and big players like Walmart have reported stable performances. Inflation has dipped dramatically from 9% in June 2022 to 2.9% in July 2023. That's a dead giveaway that the Federal Reserve's interest rate hikes are doing their job. All signs point to a soft landing for the economy, which is like finding a parking spot in New York, almost too good to be true. Trading recommendations and reasoning. Charlie. Now let's talk turkey. Trading recommendations. 1. Ulta Beauty, Ulta. With Berkshire Hathaway's recent investment, Ulta is poised for a bull run. Although it had a rough year, the beauty sector's resilience and Ulta's unique standing make it an attractive investment. 2. Netflix, NFLX. Netflix is leading the streaming pack and showing significant profitability. Their innovative strategies to retain consumers make them a solid bet. Keep an eye on their quarterly reports for cues to buy or hold. 3. Walmart. Retail is on steady ground, and Walmart's consistent performance makes it a safe harbor for your investment ship. Strong results amidst economic recovery point to a strong outlook. Always remember, these recommendations should align with your individual risk tolerance and investment goals. And hey, here's a joke to laugh your way through the treasury. How do you know if an accountant is extroverted? When talking to you, they look at your calculator instead of their own. Classic. Conclusion. Charlie, that's it for this episode of Spy Trader. Keep your eyes on the market and your investments sharp. We'll be back in a few hours to bring you more insights. And remember, in the world of finance, knowledge is your biggest asset. Until next time, this is Chaching Charlie signing off. Happy trading, everyone. End.